Namaste students. Bridge course for science grade 8. So in this session you are learning about atoms, elements, compound, mixture, symbol and chemical equation. Let us see one by one. Atom. An atom is the smallest particle. We cannot be seen even through a microscope. All matter, including our body, is made up of atoms. If you think of any object, whether it is living or non living, it will be always made up of atoms. Element, a substance that cannot be broken down into simple substance by chemical methods, is called an element. An element is made up of only one kind of atom. For example, oxygen. Oxygen is an element, but oxygen having same kind of atoms. Sulfur. Sulfur is also an element, but sulfur element having the same kind of atoms. Compound. Two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio to form a compound. For example, water. Water is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Then carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also combination of carbon and oxygen. Then sugar and salt also a compound. Mixture. When two or more elements or compounds are combined physically in any ratio, the resulting substance is called a mixture. For example, rock. Mixture of different kinds of rocks. Sandwich is a mixture of bread, meat and tomato. Soda is the mixture of sugar and water. Lime juice is a mixture of lime, sugar, salt and water. Symbol. Each element is represented by a chemical symbol. Chemical symbol are fixed and used by all scientists. For example, carbon. The symbol is C. H is the symbol of hydrogen. N is the symbol for nitrogen. He is the symbol for helium. Then Ag is the symbol for silver. Chemical equation. Chemical equation represents a chemical reaction using chemical formula. For example, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Carbon plus oxygen is the reactants, carbon dioxide is the product. Instead of wording, we can write symbol. C is the symbol of carbon. O is the symbol of oxygen. CO2 is the symbol of carbon dioxide. Then one more example, hydrogen plus oxygen gives water, the formation of water. Here hydrogen atom plus oxygen atom gives water. The next one, balanced chemical equation. Here unbalanced equation. This one is unbalanced equation. Now we have to check both sides equal or not. Carbon both sides are equal. Hydrogen both sides are equal. But oxygen here too, that 4. So this equation is unbalanced. Now you have to balance. So oxygen is less number. So in front of oxygen we have to add number 2. Now you have to check carbon here 1, here 1. Hydrogen here 4, here 4. Oxygen both sides are equal. Now the equation is balanced. Next, this is home activity for you. Number 1, write the symbol of the element. Here so many element is there. You have to write symbol of the element. Next one, write the chemical equation using formula, that means using chemical symbol. Nitrogen plus hydrogen gives ammonia. Nitrogen, the symbol N, hydrogen, the symbol H, ammonia NH3. The same way you have to write all the chemical equation. The next one, balance the equation. Here some unbalanced equations. You have to balance the equation and submit. Thank you.